up guys, this is Ref and welcome back. So after weeks of waiting, we received now the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. Including that would be the 2 bags of freebies that we received for pre-ordering it that is worth 12,000 pesos. And without any further ado, let's unbox this. On the first bag, we got here the 2,000 pesos of voucher, which you can use for casing and screen protector, and 100 pesos GC. We also have here a black magnetic ring mount that is compatible to any MagSafe cases and MagSafe accessories. And then this Belkin 30 watts power adapter, and this is with USB Type-C. And then another power adapter for before anything else. This is a USB Type-C and a USB Type-A. And then another before anything else case. So this is a clear case for iPhone 17 Pro Max with anti-yellowish protection. Alright, so let's remove it from its box. And for this, it is compatible with MagSafe, so you can use any MagSafe accessories or power bank as well. So far, its quality build is good and I hope it lasts. So that's mostly it on the first batch of freebies. So I'm trying to unload now the second batch. And there's a lot of it, as I can see here. And we also got here 2 thank you cards. So this Salamat card. So, salamat is the Filipino of thank you. And there we got here also a free eSIM from Smart. We also have here a wrist strap set from Laut or Laut. So they leave a price tag there, which costs around 1,700 pesos approximately. So it's on a little bit pricier side. Of course, this is an Apple accessories. But anyway, no complaint there as it is free. So let's try to check here. Alright, so far it's just okay. It feels premium somehow, but I don't see myself using it. We got here also a Power Max Center logo, and probably I'll just give it to my wife or to my daughter for this wrist strap. Okay, so let's check the other things here. We got here also this zag. This is a body strap for your iPhone. Okay, alright. So it's a little bit long. Although it feels good. It's almost like a premium quality. And it is an adjustable, though I probably won't use this as much. Okay, so let's leave it there. Let's check here some other things. Alright, so this is a Belkin Boost Charge USB-C to USB-C cable for 240 watts, and it's a 2-pack. So the good thing here is it can charge also a laptop. Probably it's one of the best freebies that I got here, and probably that I'll be using a lot because I can use this on my MacBook as well. And so far the quality build is good as well. This braided cable is so far good and feels premium, so I like it. And then we got here this JBL Go Essential 2. So it is a portable speaker from JBL. So let's try to unbox it. Alright there. Okay, so this is probably one of the pricier freebie that we got here. Alright, so let's get this. And then let's check what else is on the box. Do we have a cable here? Well, probably, of course, we don't have. So just some paperwork as well. And here is the JBL itself. Alright, so it's lightweight, so it's really good as it is a portable speaker. So probably I'll be using it when going out. Okay, let's just turn it on. Alright there, so it's good, it's working. So that's mostly it, the freebies that we got. And then let's go to the main event. So here is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange in the box. So this is the 512 gig configuration, which costs around 108,000 Philippine pesos. And I was able to get a discount for less than 8,000, so total of 100,000 Philippine peso only. It's also available to 24 to 36 month installment in credit card. So depending on your bank, so you can take advantage of it. So here it is, the Cosmic Orange color. This year, they have an aluminum unibody chassis design, which reminds me of the iPhone 8 to 6 to 7 series, but they still retain a wireless charging capability on this matte ceramic shield at the back. They have also this camera plateau, which is metal as well. It's a little bit heavy on the side, and originally I don't like this two-tone color, and I have big doubts of it. But it grows on me, and it's better than expected when you see it physically. The quality build is still superb, and it still really feels premium. They're not using a titanium anymore, which kind of sad, but they're using the aluminum 7000 series. So the other things here in the box is the USB Type-C to Type-C braided cable and the SIM ejector tool. Unfortunately, we don't have any Apple stickers anymore. So let's set up now the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let me just remove this sticker, alright, and then turn on the device itself. So one good thing about the 17 series is it does have an upgraded display. So up to 3000 nits of brightness, and also it does include an anti-reflective screen somehow. As you can see here, it's not that reflective than the 16 Pro Max, which is a good thing as well. So here's the welcome screen now. Let me just click this. Alright, let's choose the language English, and then choose the region here and set up the device itself. So here it is, the iPhone 17 Pro Max fully set up. For my first impression here for this device are mostly good. I really love its display. It's still bezel-less and it can get up to 3000 nits of peak brightness. I'm really loving as well its performance. It is fast and fluid. You can play games without any hassle. It doesn't get overheat that much since it does have a vapor chamber as well. Battery life is also awesome. I'm getting 10 hours of screen on time every day for this device. And I really like also the front camera center stage, as it does have almost 0.5 angle view, so you can get more people here if you do selfies. And so far I haven't tested the rear cameras, but definitely I'll be testing more on this device on my upcoming review for this iPhone 17 Pro Max. So that's mostly it. So that is my iPhone 17 Pro Max unboxing and my first impression. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.